guys. So finally today I decided to get this one. It's Girl Generation anniversary comeback. Oh my god, I love them so much, but like I was thinking like a lot of times should I get one or not, because like a lot of reason for me. But finally today when I go to the I heard K-pop, I found them, so I'm like, oh, why not? So yes, do that. So let's do the unbox with me today. So I don't know why, but like the cover, the wrap is kind of old for me. I don't know. But it's like I don't like that plastic thing here. It's not like tight enough. It's just getting loose. So let's see. Oh my god, so beautiful, so cool, Tiffany. Okay, let's see what's inside here. I'm so excited to know who I got. Let's go. Okay, I feel that. Okay, is this my BS? No, you like this. Let's see. I don't think so. Okay. I don't think it's my BS, but it's fine though. It's someone. She's so cute. So let's aside it. Oh, it's Suya. She's still pretty. I'm a little bit sad because I cannot get Tiffany, but it's fine. So they go with this card. I think it's kind of introduced about like an M style office store, but not interesting because they don't have one in Australia. Mhm. So sad. Oh my god! It's Tiffany! Oh god! OMG! Oh my god! I cannot believe it! Oh my god, bro! It's so pretty! I mean, last time when I got the 90th anniversary of them, it's like perfectly it's Tiffany holding. And this one, like, I was a little bit, to be honest, I was a little bit sad when I got Sehun and Suyeon, but like, I can't believe I got Tiffany. Oh my god, so pretty. Oh my god. Wow. A little bit sad because it had a line like this, but it's really getting better. I got hope so. So let's put aside and see about the album. Okay, for the I think yeah, it's so plastic, it's so cute. Let's see inside. I guess at this time most of you guys know what is inside already, but let's go through with me. Okay, I think it's about taxi, the mid taxi one. Oh my gosh, Taeyong is so cute. She's so pretty. Oh my god. So yeah, she wearing the same one at the poster, the card I got. I mean, so it's probably the same time. I feel like this one is in the into the new year, I guess. Because actually I cannot remember all the story behind this one, but like I know have a lot of memory. So Tiffany, so pretty. I love pink. Oh, jewelry. I mean, I'm been with friend for a long time, but sometimes for some though picture like this, I'm still confused between jewelry and Sahon. Yeah, probably. Even I'm like being their friends for so long. Yeah. So cool. And Sunny. So that I was watching again the one that Sunny had the TV viral TV show is about like a grandfather of a flower like long time ago, really long time ago. And then I was really like watching her. Okay. Oh yeah, I saw her. Yeah. I just saw her poster this morning on the bread field. So this one is about lyric lyric for Fire One. But I feel the drama is the Let Me Taxi one. And yeah, cut you know. Okay, the next one is the next one is Lucky Like That. It's so cute. Oh my god. They're so pretty. I can't imagine like they look like themselves like 10 years ago. Like they didn't change much. I like say yeah 17. I can't imagine like they are like most all of them is over 30 but like they still so pretty like the A-list. And of course my first song Villa from Tiffany. Oh, I mean literally Tiffany is getting less now. Yeah. However, anyway, but she's still waiting on the pink one. Even now, she doesn't wear my pink. She more love about black. Maybe some of you guys will tell me I'm what the fake fan, but like to be honest, life is too much thing to remember. So sometimes I cannot remember what they're doing, but at least I know some of them. Like at least I still update a little bit information about them. And Tiffany. So cute. So sexy. For me, what the you better run is it feel like run never run if you talk so fast. I don't know like my name was Tiffany as well, but like before after I got this name, I get more realizing about Tiffany's identity. I'm like, oh, she had the same name. She's so cute. She's so like have the feel, have the vibe that I love. And then after that, people like, oh, you have the same name with Tiffany. It's like because you like her, so you just like make your name up like her. But no, I got that name before I know her. It's not before I know her. It's like one of my teacher was giving me that name. So yeah, to be honest, this one day I would say that of course they're the best. It's not have like they have 10 Sushi Forever. I will say I will love this concept more about the Breeders' one because this one more colorful and then it's more like the color of weird for me, like have those people at the back. Yeah, this concept it work. Cool. Yeah, so cool. See, I love the concept, but I feel weird because it's some random people at the back. It like it's make me more focused about that third person than the member. You see, it like I will focus on this girl more actually. Someday. Oh, so pretty. Oh god. Okay, I get that's it. Easy. That's it. I would expect some like the the note that the member was writing, except this one that I know from Sound. Like it's fine though. Anyway, thank you for watching me. I know a lot of mistakes there, but like, hope you can enjoy that. Bye bye.